I'm not able to open my course, I'm not able to log in, the lecture content is being locked, I'm stuck. Don't worry, this quick video is going to give you answers to all these questions. Let me make this very clear. GFI stands for Growth Foundation International. GFI's main website is growthfoundationinternational.com. We have two other websites. One is for learning, one is for members networking, and we call it as community. It's called gficommunity.com, www.gficommunity.com. This is where only members get to speak to each other, they get to network with each other and all that stuff. Right, now coming to the learning part, the learning website is called as www.gfilearning.com. Okay, so this is where all the entrepreneurial courses are there and you are getting access to it. Now, how do I really log inside? I don't know my username, password. Where do I start? Here's the mail you need to check. You need to check for this mail called redeem your copy of. This is the course name. You might be enrolled in a course called Holistic Business Growth Program or KPI Success Formula or any course for that matter. You will get an email from us saying that redeem your copy of with a course name. Now all that you have to do is, this is Welcome SJ is a sample name I have created. In your case, your name would be mentioned over there. Okay, all that you have to do is just click on confirm email. As soon as you click on confirm email, it will ask you to create a password for this particular account. Once you set that, you're not giving us your password, you're setting up a password for GFI Learning portal. So then click finish and then you go to courses, you're done. There could be another scenario where you already have an account with us. Already you are a registered user in gfilearning.com. In that case, you need to check for this mail, the mail called or the mail in the subject line stating you are now enrolled in the course name. Whatever course you have enrolled in, could be Holistic Business Growth or maybe Business Scale-up Blueprint or Autopilot Execution Challenge, whatever course for that matter. So you are now enrolled in, just click on access course and you will go there. Now the next one is whichever course you're enrolled into, you just open it and you can just keep browsing like this and learn all content. Now here's a small catch. See, I'm right now on day 1. The day 1 video is perfectly loading for me. I click on day 2 and I have jumped to day 2. Sometimes for certain users, the day 2 content will not open. It will say lecture content locked, which means it is saying you have not finished the day 1 completely. Only then you can come to day 2. But if you click here, the day 5 page will open, but sometimes it may not load for you. The reason is you have not completed. As you can see on top, it says 0% complete. That's because I have not clicked on complete and continue. I'm just going back to day 1. I have to, once I finish this course or this lesson, I have to click complete and continue. Once I click complete and continue, automatically it jumps to day 2. As you can see, it's now 8% complete. Complete and continue, 17%. Okay. So this is exactly how you complete all the learnings and recordings. So hope this was useful as and interesting as well. And also maybe people would have one more query where we are giving a document like this. Okay. MBO worksheet or whatever document for that matter. Now you open this document and you are not able to edit. You find that, man, I'm not able to edit this document. This document is non-editable, but we want to give you this template. So what you need to do is just go to file, just go to make a copy or just go to download and download as Microsoft Excel into your computer, and now you can start editing. Hope that was useful and hope that was interesting too. Thank you for being a part of this community and we wish you all the very, very, very best. Thank you.